Hi guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut Pro features for free in PC. So in here, I've already opened my projects and added clips that I want to edit. And let's say I'm going to use Pro features on my edits. In here, I'm going to just add a Pro video effects, for example, this hollow blur. So I'm going to just download it first and add it into the clip. So you can see the effects is applied on my clip, and when I try to export, I cannot do that because I need to join the CapCut Pro first. So if you want to export, I suggest you if you want to get the Pro features but you don't want to join, you can try to open or use any screen recording video apps on your computer, like the one that I'm using is the Bandicam. This one's right here. You can use this one, or you can use any screen recording that you use on your computer. And after that, after you start recording, you can just go to the CapCut again and then click on this to make the projects in full screen. Now you can just play it and then let the screen recording record this video. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.